Welcome students. Topic Clean Water, Grade 5, Subject Science. Aim: able to explain effect of water pollution, prevent waterborne diseases. Keywords: pollutants, aquatic, microorganisms. Water is the most important needs of living organisms. More than 70% of our body is made up of water. Thirdly, most of the water on earth is polluted of human activities. Water pollution. Water bodies are lakes, rivers, oceans, groundwater and streams contaminated. Human activities causes water pollution. It causes pollution are known as pollutants. Reasons for water pollution. First one, wastewater from houses and factories into water bodies. Second things, fertilizers and pesticides contaminate groundwater. Third one, breakage pipes of huge ships transport result in oil spills in sea. Floods, animals and plants waste pollute it. Garbage and plastics are directly dumped into lakes and oceans by humans. Next, we will continue going to study about effects of water pollution. Cleaning wastewater before using water bodies. Reduce use of chemicals, fertilizers, disposing of garbage. Next, we will going to study about wastewater treatment. Remove pollutants and make it reusable. 4 stages are: first stage, screening stage, removed stones and insoluble wastes. Second stage, primary. Third stage, secondary stage, removed sand and dissolved waste. Fourth stage is tertiary stage, disinfected using chemicals. You put chlorine, kill the germs in water. Benefits of wastewater treatment. First benefit, prevent water bodies of pollution, spread waterborne diseases. Second benefits, save aquatic plants and animals. Third one is reuse for domestic purpose. Fourth one is byproducts, manure for growing crops. We know about waterborne diseases. Contaminated water cause typhoid, pain in stomach, diarrhea, vomiting and skin irritation. Prevent waterborne diseases. Drink purified water, boil tap water. Do not use water directly from water bodies. Maintain good personal hygiene. Avoid drinking juices sold by roadside vendors. Do not dispose waste in water. Diseases spreading from stagnant water. Stagnant water is water kept in tanks and coolers. These water breed germs and insects like mosquitoes. These water also spread diseases during rainy season. Example, dengue. Dengue is spread by female Aedes mosquito. Symptoms of dengue are fever, body pains, rashes on the body. Malaria is another one of the diseases of stagnant water. Female Anopheles mosquito spread malaria. Shaking, chills, headache, body pain of the symptoms of the malaria. Preventive measures. Do not stagnate anywhere. Example, you have flower vase, water tanks, water coolers have in our home. Use mosquito nets. Avoid bitten by mosquitoes. Example, when you go to bed, that time you wear long sleeved clothes and full length pants. Thank you students.